Hello guys, welcome to my Andwin Tech channel. Today I am going to show you in this video developer option hidden settings to fix battery drain problem. So before going to start the video, if you are not subscribed my channel, please subscribe. So let's start the video. Guys, if you are facing battery drain problem, then I will show you hidden developer option settings to fix this battery issue. First of all, you need to enable your developer option. For that, you just need to open the settings, scroll down a little bit, go to the about phone. You can see here about phone, just tap on that, scroll down a little bit. In this you can see here software information, just tap on that. After that you can see here build number. You need to tap on that build number up to 7 times. After that it will ask for the password. Just enter your mobile screen password. You can see you are now a developer. After that, then go back, just tap on this search menu, then type here developer. You can see a developer option, just tap on that. In this you need to scroll down a little bit. Here you can see Wi-Fi scan throttling. You just need to enable this option. If it is disabled, you just need to enable this option. After that, scroll down a little bit again. Here you can see do not keep activities. You need to enable this option also. After enabling, below you can see here background process limit. Just select this option. In this you need to select at least minimum 2 processes. By default it is selected as standard limit. You can select at most 4 processes, then go back. That's it guys. So in this way you can fix battery drain problem by enabling developer option hidden setting. Thanks for watching. Hope if you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe.